and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of our September 2019 Boxycharm. So if this sounds like a video for you, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so a little bit about what Boxycharm is. This is a monthly subscription service that is sent directly to your door. It's $21 plus tax every single month, and you receive about 5 full-size products, give or take, and this just showed up at my door. I came home from getting my kids from school and I was like, oh, so excited, so I wanted to jump on here and unbox this for you guys. So getting right into it, you do get a little card every single month that is themed. This is Boxycharm All Access. And a lot of y'all ask me, I don't know what the weight of the box is, it doesn't tell me. You guys said it's like in my email or something and I forgot to check it. But I will tell you, in the corner here it says 16 hearts, so I'm assuming that is the mix of them. I'm not for sure, so sorry, I am not more helpful on that. Okay, so the first item I did receive is by Dr. Brandt. I absolutely love Dr. Brandt products. This is the Hydro Bionic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This is a full-size product and it does retail for $52. A little bit about this product: it's a hydrating, recovering sleeping mask that balances the skin naturally, or balances the skin's naturally occurring flora, and it locks the moisture in overnight to reduce redness and soothe the sign of irritation. So very excited about playing around with this. I am going to test it out tonight and I will let you guys know my thoughts on it, just because it's a sleeping mask, so I wanted to give it like the full shot there. Okay, so the next item I did receive is the Moda Pro by Royal and Langnickel 5-piece deluxe eye kit set. This is what it looks like. Now I already have a few Moda Pro brushes that were actually sent to me in some other Boxycharms. I've been a Boxycharmer, oh my goodness, probably like 4 or 5 years now. Wow, that's a long time. That's a really long time. That's pretty exciting. I will tell you guys, I really do like the Moda brushes. I don't want to open them up because I know for a fact I have a lot of these brushes, so this may just go ahead and be put into a giveaway or given to one of my daughters. This does retail, this 5-piece set does retail for $27.95. Moda brushes are really good, affordable brushes. I think you'd be really happy if you pick these up. Okay, this next product has me really excited. This is called the BDB Billion Dollar Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. Now this actually retails for $18 and this is cool. I'm going to show you guys. Do you see the little swatches? It literally puts like hairline little swatches. It is so cool. Look at this brush. It's not even a brush, it's like this felt tip. It's really thin and there's like 3 little grooves, or 2 little, no, there's 3. There's little grooves in there. So like when you go to like flick it, you see that? You get like 3 little hair strokes. It is so cool. Like my youngest daughter and I were playing around with it and it is so neat. And why I'm really excited about this, one, you guys know I've always struggled with my brows. I just have. I don't have a strong brow game. And my youngest daughter and I were playing with this, and the hair strokes, it was so easy to just kind of and I have thyroid issues, so you guys know, like this whole portion of my brow, not so much there, so I have to fake it to make it, you know, kind of deal. Really like this, and I am so excited that we received it. Like I said, it retails for $18. Okay, so the next item I want to talk about is by Hank & Henry, which I was so excited. To be honest with you guys, I was hoping it was going to be a lipstick in here, but I don't know what is in other people's. But this is the Hank & Henry Slick With It. This is a blickety black liner is what it's called. I did sit here and I'll pop it up over here if I can. Obviously, I already have my makeup on, but I was able to weasel in and apply this. And this is pretty awesome. Like I was playing around with it and swatching it, but it's a really nice thin felt tip, I guess that is. Do you guys see that? I mean, you could push and get a thicker line, or you could just go really light, like which was what I did. This is really pretty. I like that it's not like an overly shiny type of formula. Some liquid liners are like really glossy and I'm just not about that. I do like, if I happen to use a liquid liner, I do a very, 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 very thin line, which is what you guys see I did close to the lash line. And this is really pretty. It seems to dry down really well and doesn't smudge or anything. So happy about that. I think going into fall, I'll probably get back into using some liquid liner. Through the summertime and everything, I kind of got away from it, but really excited about that. This retails for $20. That's expensive, but Hank & Henry is supposed to be an amazing brand. I've never tried anything. Okay guys, so the last item I did receive in my Boxycharm box is the Tarte Clay Play palette. This is like the original that for whatever reason Tarte got rid of, which is ridiculous. I did go ahead and pull mine out because since I already have this, I'll give it to one of my daughters or put it in a giveaway or a donation. But this is what the inside looks like. It has a nice like light vanilla chocolatey type of scent. It's very simple. And I got my nose. Good job, Rhonda. Well, contour it. Anywho, very simple colors, very easy to work with. This was one of my go-to palettes for a very, very long time. Matter of fact, I had actually got my oldest daughter this the year it came out, and gave it to her for Christmas one year. So anyways, this is a good palette, and I was bummed to receive it since I already had it, but excited because this is a really good palette. So I feel like if you did get this in your Boxycharm for this month, you're really going to be happy with it. Okay guys, so that is everything that came in this month's Boxycharm. A grand total, after you add everything up, did come to $162.95 of, I think overall, my final thoughts on the box. It's like one of those things where I never, ever know what I'm going to be getting in my Boxycharm. I always keep it very hush-hush. I don't peek. I don't look at the sneak peeks or anything. And I wouldn't say this is like my favorite box that I've gotten from Boxycharm, but I do like the things in here. The most exciting thing I got in this box is the brow pencil. I really, really like this, guys. I mean, just the little bit of flicks that I've done and then played around with my daughter with it, this is pretty awesome. Like, this is one that I'm so excited about. I will be trying this out tonight. You guys will see me talk about this in a makeup recap. But the Moda brushes are great. The Tarte palette is wonderful. I think that this was very easy to work with, and I am not the best when it comes to it, but I don't think it was a bad box. I think for $21, I got a lot of high-end products that I'm really pleased about. So anyways, leave your comment down below. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm box. Also, like I said, in the little corner, at least it told me in the little corner, it tells us the correlation. It tells you whatever this is in the box, or not the box, but it tells you which batch you got. So let us know down below what yours was. I did receive this complimentary from Boxycharm to give my honest opinion and review on it. Thank you, Boxycharm, for thinking of me and sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. They are kind enough to give me a link if you guys are wanting to sign up for a Boxycharm. I do have a link down below for you guys in my description box. It is an affiliate link, so if you are not down to give my family a commission, by no means, don't use my link down below. Just go straight to Boxycharm's website. I just like to be honest with you guys and let you know what's affiliate link. So anyways, like I said, overall, I think it's a good box. Great name brand products that I will actually use, or you guys will be using because you'll be getting them in a giveaway. So anyways, friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Happy Friday to all of you guys. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much. I love each and every single one of you guys. I hope you have a fun, blessed weekend. And until Sunday, remember to check me out on Sunday. I have our Sunday Chit Chat, and then we go live at 6:15 Eastern Standard Time on Sunday night. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye. Sorry I'm like off and tired, guys. Whew, I only had one bang today. Normally I have two. I need coffee. Stat. See you guys later.